Thank you very much, Mr. Alfa. Dear Excellencies, distinguished delegates, and panel members, my name is Sundareshwara. I represent the United States of Kailasa, which is the first nation for Hindus revived by the sovereign of Kailasa, the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, Bhagavan Sri Nithyananda Paramashivam. And one of the important points that were discussed by all of you is the key importance of partnership. And towards this, the sovereign of Kailasa, the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, has been tirelessly working over the last 27 years through a worldwide movement in over 100 different countries towards the healthy planet and taking a holistic approach through the Hindu tradition. And there have been several green initiatives towards this. And the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism has also envisioned care over cure. I guess that is where the early warning systems come into the place as well. And in our tradition, we look at planet Earth as Mother Earth. So the very approach that we take in the Hindu tradition by very nature is to protect it. And through the holistic approaches, we have seen very, very positive changes to the extent that we are able to mitigate any disasters just through the holistic approach. So I did hear from many of you distinguished panelists where the data sets and the space agencies as to how it is coming in, but I also feel another important component to this is the holistic approach. And some of the initiatives by Kailasa, by the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, for example, the Clean Air Initiative, which is basically an initiative by the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, planting flora all over the spiritual embassies in over 100 countries around the world. And similar initiatives such as Go Zero Waste, Say No Plastic, Reuse Food in Agriculture, Go Vegetarian, Ishanya Project, and so on. So I also want to just pitch in over here is that Kailasa is actually working to bring back the planet Earth through its full glory, through the Healthy Planet Initiative, and looking to see that a holistic approach is also one of the key importance as being revived by the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much indeed.